Hello, welcome to another episode of Two Labs Garage. This video, I'm going to be taking the tailgate from my 1980 Dodge pickup and making it work again. This isn't a very uncommon problem on an old truck, and fortunately, it's not very difficult to fix. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so now I'm going to take the tailgate. I'm actually going to make it work again. I wish I had the footage of when I took this apart. Unfortunately, that happened a while back before my old computer hard drive crashed, so we're missing that, but I'll go through it. On the end, you have these latches. They bolt in from the end, connects to this rod, and goes to the handle. You've got two rods, two latches, one handle. So anyway, it comes in here. It's a little stiff to get in and out, but it's workable. So anyway, unbolt it, pull this out. Now I will show you how it works. Alright, here it is. Okay, you got that rod. It connects in right here and right here. And when you lift the handle, see how they move in? That pulls the rods in and releases the tailgate. Normally when these fail, it's because these little plastic connection pieces have come off. They go in here, and just over the years they get brittle and break. This one in particular, the problem was that when I got this truck, the tailgate had been left down for at least 12 years. And just water and all kind of mess getting in there. This had rusted up. These arms would not move for anything. And this was broken, probably because these were seized up and someone tried to pull on it. So anyway, I got one of those tailgate benches around that's from a Dodge truck. I kind of took this off that and put the old seized up handle on there because who cares. So anyway, I'm going to be putting this on. This is for like a, I think this is off a 82 or 83. It is slightly different, but it will work. Now one thing I would definitely advise when you take the rods out is label which one was which. Fortunately on the Dodge it's identical, but I can't speak for a Ford or a Chevrolet or International or Jeep or whatever. Alright, so I'm going to take this. I've got the short side of a wedge facing down. Go hook this in here, and that will keep, whoa, excuse me, that will keep this end of a rod facing towards the inside of the truck. And now I'm going to need that for when I hook the handle up. So go ahead and insert this back in and see if I can't find the bolts to it. Also mentioned, right now probably a good time, spray everything down, get it good and lubricated. Alright, run that in and bolt her up. And repeat the process on the other side. Alright, so this part right here is going to get a little tricky. Don't let it get you down. Expect a little bit of a hassle here, but it'll all be worth it. First of all, get your rods so where you can reach them easily. Make sure they're still hooked on your latches, they didn't come off. Now we take these plastic things, this yellow retainer clip. I'm not sure what size it is, honestly. My good friend Ben gave these to me. He swore they are the right size for this truck. And I do believe he was right. His brother has one of these trucks. So anyway, go and snap this in. But yes, right there. Push, get in there, you piece. Like I said, this might be a little aggravating. That's okay. I'm kind of expecting it. Go ahead and get this one on too. Get on there. Get you. Ah, there went one. Ah, there we go. And now, it's gonna be a little stiff. You take this, snap it on the rod. Come on, for Pete's sake. I could take this to try to make sure that the thing does like it's supposed to. And just repeat the same thing on that side. Alright, so there we go. That's what they look like. So now go ease this up in here. Alright. Alright, so there we go. That's what they look like. So now go ease this up in here. Now this tailgate may be a little bit because we're hitting here a little bit. And we're hitting there. So I just gotta kind of wiggle this thing in there. Okay. Never discount brute force. Alright, so now I'm going to flip the tailgate. And get these holes lined up inside. Now over time, yes, I managed to lose factory bolts. But I had some of these short ones. Just the right break count. Perfect. Alright, at this stage, be a good time to wire wheel and repaint the inside of the tailgate. I considered doing that. But I also have this. This is also courtesy of my good friend Ben. Now I'm not going to put a plastic bed liner in this truck. Sorry, not happening. What I am going to do, however, is put a rubber bed mat in. And since the tailgate protector part is missing on that, I will put the tailgate protector part from this plastic bed liner on here. So I'm just going to center it up and then take some self-tapper screws and fasten it. So now I'm just going to reattach my rods. I love much rather have these than cables, by the way. This in first. There we go. Tailgate's back on. Now for the moment of test. Truth. Haha! It works! I like I said, I took this handle off a different year after they redesigned them a bit. So yes, the handle does stick out a little bit, but I'm willing to pay that price. Yeah, not bad. So anyway, there we go. Tailgates rebuilt on this 1980 Dodge pickup. I'm liking the way it turned out, and I really like the Dodge thing over here. If you would please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. They help me out a lot. Help me be able to bring y'all more stuff like this and more in-depth stuff. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of your projects. God bless you, and I will see you again soon.